Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. This vehicle has a little over 18,000 miles on it and has a plethora of upgrades installed. Flagstaffs and mounts, two-way clear strobes in the grille that are LED, matching the LED lights on the vehicle. It's built on the Cadillac XTS chassis, commercial chassis for 2019. It's black with a silver stripe. It has added BNC pillar chrome along with a crown band. Tuxedo vinyl top. It is not padded, so there's no chance of any water getting behind the top. Platinum Coach only builds all composite vehicles, so the number 2 doors, the rear load door, and the full conversion of a Hearse chassis is composite. Opening the number 2 door here, once again you'll see that composite. You can always tell a composite door by the thickness of the pinch. So the thickness of this will tell you if it's a composite door, along with you can take a magnet to it and a magnet will not stick to these doors. Alicante floor on the inside with a light gray interior. This is one of the lighter interiors for 2019. It does have a closed well, however it does have a door as well, so you get the benefit of a closed or an open well. That allows you to stand the church truck either vertically or horizontally down in the well. You also have that umbrella tray on the far right. You can use it for umbrellas or anything else you'd like to store in that compartment. It's a handy compartment under that partition wall. Folding this down and closing this door here. Walking away to the rear, you have the Platinum Coach signature Landau bar there on that beautiful tuxedo top. Rear door wise, you have upgraded rear door, low door chrome. So this is an added package when this vehicle was originally built in 2019. You also have the backup camera feature as well. That is standard on an XTS chassis. Opening this rear load door here, you have some beautiful embroidery here on the load door. Platinum Coach does an excellent job of these interiors, especially in the XTS body style. Folding down that bifold carpet, you have a full Alicante floor with that light interior, some signature lighting on the left and the right, along with your traditional lighting up in the roof. This vehicle does have a built-in urn carrier. It does have a light background to match that light interior. And the stanchions are just in the front of the vehicle at the moment. You can fully remove those urn carrier stanchions or leave them stowed under this compartment. This customer just like to remove them. Folding this back down, you're back into a casketed mode. This bumper carpet helps greatly with the transition off the church truck into the rear of the coach. This protects the bumper. As you can see, this vehicle just came in as a trade-in, and there's not a single mark on this rear bumper. There's a little blemish right here that we will replace the step pad for, but there's not a single mark on the painted bumper itself. This vehicle does have a quick adjust beer pin, so you do have the button on top. It allows you to adjust it in and out, and then you cinch the back to tighten against the casket. That is stowed on the far right, which is standard for Platinum Coach. Overall, the wheel boxes are in excellent shape. For only 18,000 miles, this vehicle is basically brand new. Closing this rear load door here and working our way to the driver's side. Once again, you get a quick snapshot of this beautiful 19 Cadillac XTS Phoenix. Opening this load door here, you do have a spare tire down below here. If you open up the well, you can see it better. It is a full-size matching spare. All your tools and jack are on the far right. Once again, another well-styled door, so you can operate it as a closed well or open it for an open well, just giving you that flexibility once again. This vehicle does have two sets of chrome nameplate holders mirrored on the passenger side and the driver's side. That way you can show off your funeral home nameplates in this window or any other acrylic style nameplates. Opening the driver's door here, you get one last glimpse of the exterior of the vehicle until we jump inside. But you can see the black interior of the driver's seat and passenger seat. It is black leather wrap dash, black leather seats, and a black leather wrap steering wheel. So let's jump inside and take a peek. Sitting inside this vehicle, once again, almost brand new. 2019 XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, 18,000 miles, leather wrap steering wheel, power tilt and telescoping column, buttons on the left, automatic headlights. You have cruise control on the left, media controls on the right, touchscreen infotainment, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth for phone calls and audio, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So full feature set in this radio. You do have a sneaky little cabinet here. Allows you to store any items underneath there. There is a wireless charging pad in there as well. It doesn't fit in most of the phones on the market, but if you have a smaller phone, it does work and does fit the phone. Two cup holders here. You have a traditional style shifter, dual zone climate control with an auto mode, so fully featured out inside this 2019 XTS. Nice center console here. You do have one USB-A charger along with one USB-C located down the center console there. What I like to do is always store the key here. It seems to get it out of the way and it doesn't fall in between the seats. Just a tech tip. Powered driver and passenger seats both are black leather along with a black carpet, so keeping it out with that durability factor in here. As you can see, this customer owned this vehicle since new, and there's no crazy scratches or any sort of rips or tears in any pieces of the soft fabric in the driver and passenger compartment. Overall, beautiful interior here. This vehicle does have two-way clear strobes, as we mentioned, on the outside of the car. The switch to operate those are located on the headliner up here. What's neat about this car is this vehicle can operate the strobes with just the key on without the vehicle running. So it's nice to have at a funeral setting, either at the church or during the procession. You can turn this vehicle off and still operate the strobes, which is not the same for all XTS chassis. It is not the same for a new XT5 chassis. So just please keep that in mind. They do operate when the vehicle is running, but they can operate when the vehicle is off as well. Overall, really nice and clean interior in here, and beautiful vehicle with only 18,000 miles. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. Once again, this vehicle has pretty much every option that you could add to a Phoenix back in 2019. This vehicle will not last long in our inventory with only 18,000 miles, so please inquire soon. If you'd like to inquire, please give us a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parksuperior.com, where you can see 80 plus photos of this vehicle along with our full inventory of almost 100 vehicles at the moment. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you at the next one.